So how to set up fingerprint on your Galaxy S24? Go to your setting, then you have to go your security and privacy. Press on security and privacy. Then you can see the biometric option. You have to select biometric, then go to your fingerprint, then press on continue, next. And if you don't have a security pin or password pattern, you have to enable it first and press on register. And now enter your, and once done, then press on done. And you can add another fingerprint here, and I don't want to add. Then lock your skin, then it's working. So that's it. Thank you for watching.